So good morning, my lovelies. I did not think so many of you would want to be a part of this fast. So I'm very excited to know that a lot of you want to do this with me. I'm just gonna give you some things and tips that I use while I fast. Hopefully it can help you get through your fast. So I'm gonna get right into it. So I've decided that I am going to do a month fast. Now the first week will be dedicated solely to just drinking water and taking your herbs and vitamins. Right here I have this jug of Crystal Geyser. I have 2 key limes in here, so they are seeded. And the majority of the water was used for my bush tea, which tomorrow I will show you step by step how I make my bush tea. But if not, you could definitely check out my Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box below. That's a gist on, you know, a simpler way that I make my bush tea. But since this is gonna be a fast, and this is more for like overall body health, nurturing, allowing the body to repair itself, there are some extra things that I added to the tea, so definitely stay tuned for tomorrow to see my recipe for that. But basically, to get started, I will be taking all my herbs, so you guys do know, if you don't know or you're new to my channels, I take all my herbs and vitamins from Alkaline Herb Shop. So I have my sea moss here, my happy gut, chlorophyll, happy colon, happy lymph, and the most vital part of keeping your body healthy is my iron. Now, iron is not all made equally, okay? Iron that you get from a lot of pharmacies or Walmarts or Targets is not the same as iron that is plant-based. So I'm just gonna read something to you. This is from Dr. Holistic's Instagram. I'm gonna read you a short synopsis. Iron is magnetic. It also attracts other minerals into the cells. When you are deficient in iron, you will also be deficient in hemoglobin, which in turn means the cell will be deprived of oxygen. This can cause the cell to sickle or cave in on itself. This also leads to anemia, fatigue, heavy long periods, susceptibility to disease. Iron is an essential mineral, not just for those with anemia. It's critical for life in general. So we all need to be consuming iron, but there's a certain type of iron that we need, and plant-based is the best way. So if you don't know about these herbs, definitely check the link in the description box below. Of course, you could use iamLindaElaine, the code right here, to save some money on this, but this is not really a money type video, but this is actually what I take daily, and I will be taking this throughout my fast. So after the 7 days of water, it will go into all alkaline fruits. So you could have alkaline fruits for the next 3 weeks, anytime you're feeling hungry. Definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna be trying to vlog every single day until the 30 days is over. So definitely stay patient with me. If there's a day that I miss, like, just be patient. But I'm excited, you guys, and I'm so glad that you guys decided to join me on this fast. Of course, if you have any questions, definitely follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JaMexicanBeauty. Those are the easiest ways to reach me. Leave comments below, and if you have any questions about this fast or what we're doing, leave a comment below as well. And of course, if you haven't hit subscribe, hit that subscribe channel. Hit that subscribe channel. Hit the subscribe button. But I will be, you know, chilling a bit on the recipe videos for the next month. But I'm gonna try to figure out another way to, maybe I'll do smoothies or smoothie bowls instead. But let's begin, y'all. And for anybody wondering the benefits of fasting, some of the benefits of fasting is it helps improve your digestive system, because sometimes our digestive system just needs a break. This is for anybody that's plant-based, vegetarian, meat eaters, pescatarian, whatever the case may be. We need to give our digestive system a break. Another thing is, for people interested in weight loss, of course, that's another benefit of this. I'm not really using this for weight loss. I'm sure I'll lose some weight, but it's very good if you want to shed some pounds. Also very good at renewing your cells so that they could heal yourself. So if you're going through any type of ailments with your body, fasting is the best way for your body to actually repair itself. If you don't know anything about me, I used to have alopecia areata, which is an autoimmune disease. I was told I would never get my hair back, but y'all see me. So it's all about what you put in your body. So we're gonna do this fast, and I'm very excited, and I will be your cheerleader and you will be mine. So when you're feeling down and low, hit me up. All right, so let's get into it. Also, another reason why I decided to do a fast is because, if you guys don't know, I'm actually allergic to mushrooms, but for some reason I still try to eat them, and I've recently had them and my face broke out terribly, and it's just now getting back to normal, but fasting is another way that my cells will be able to turn themselves back over so that I could have my usual skin, because if you guys could have seen it a couple weeks ago, it was really bad. So it's come a very long way, and I really got to stop eating mushrooms. But yeah, so that's another reason why I decided to do a fast at this time. Alright, so since today I will be eating normal, I always start my day with my bush tea. So tomorrow I will definitely show you step by step how I make my bush tea. But yes, this is major key to start the day. I know this is kind of last minute since we are starting the fast tomorrow, so I'm just gonna give you a general idea of what I'll be eating today. As far as starting my fast, I will be eating a lot of kale and chickpeas. I already made it last night, my sauteed kale and chickpeas. So that will probably be my breakfast as well as my dinner. And then like apples and pears in between, because you don't wanna be eating nothing crazy before you go on a fast, because then you leave your palate wanting the taste of whatever it is that you had last. So you wanna eat stuff that's very healthy today, and you know, start, even if you have to take one extra day off and use Monday to do that as well, just go in it when you feel ready, because if you jump right into it and you're not ready, you're not gonna last in the fast. So I'm about to take my vitamins now, and yeah, bye guys. I'm excited to do this journey with you guys, this 30-day journey. And if you guys want to know any of the benefits of these vitamins, you could also check out their website, or if you want me to make a video on it, definitely leave a comment below so I could tell you what type of benefits these different vitamins, plant-based vitamins, have for the body. But okay, I'm talking more than I wanted to. Let's do this! All right, bye. I just wanted to give you guys a better glimpse at what some of the vitamins and herbs are that I currently take. Again, from Alkaline Herb Shop. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description, as well as my coupon code, iamLindaElaine. And yes, they make a world of a difference, but you know, do what you can. If you can't get vitamins, obviously that's fine. Let's do what we can.